safe drive, safe life, safe drive, safe life, সাবধানে সাবধানে সাবধান,
গাড়ি ঘোড়া সব ভাই আস্তে চালান,
সাবধানে সাবধানে সাবধান,
মানুষের জীবন আপনি বাঁচান,
প্রাণ বাঁচান, প্রাণ বাঁচান,
নিজেও বাঁচুন অপরকে বাঁচান।
safe drive, safe life.
If necessary, the vehicle must be moved to an area for repair. When inspecting and repairing goji berries and boxes, the wheel electric lock should be used to secure the wheels. After cutting of the power takeoff switch and stopping the engine, park the vehicle in a safe place. Then, the young man should be involved. The vehicle should not be moved until the safety support is correctly inserted into the cargo box's locator. The vehicle ignition key should be removed for authorization confirmation, and the warning sign should be set up. And a maintenance warning sign should be hung on the driver's side door.